drops at night on your skin for a younger looking skin. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I am going to share a homemade anti-aging skin tightening facial when applied to the skin at night will help your skin to look younger and fresher. It is rich in anti-aging properties. It contains retinol alternative, meaning it will help to get rid of wrinkles on the skin. It will also help to clear hyperpigmentation and give your skin a boost of a natural glow. To make our wrinkle fighting cream, I'm going to be using some coffee, and this is freshly brewed coffee. You can also choose to use instant for this recipe. Just take a quarter cup of hot water, pour it on the instant, and here you have your brewed coffee. If you have coffee beans, go ahead and brew it like I did. Now this coffee contains wrinkle fighting properties, which will help to smooth wrinkles and fine lines, reduce pigmentation, and leave the skin fresh looking. I'm using a teaspoon of the brewed coffee. Now, coffee is rich in antioxidants, which will help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. Coffee also contains caffeine, which will help to boost the circulation in the skin. When you use coffee on the skin on a regular, it will help your skin to look younger, fresher for much longer. Now, let's move on to my next ingredient, which is honey. And honey is a humectant that will lock the moisture in the skin. It is also rich in antibacterial properties, making it good for acne-prone skin. Honey also is very hydrating, so it will keep the skin soft and supple. For this honey, I'm using 1 teaspoon of raw honey, and we're adding this to our bowl with our coffee. Now, once we have the two ingredients together, what we're going to do, we are going to mix and we are going to mix well. Totally dissolve the honey in the coffee mixture. So continue to mix. You can also choose to add the honey to the coffee when it is still very warm. Therefore, this will help it to dissolve much faster. Now, these two combinations alone can be used on the skin. However, I'm going to add a few more ingredients to this. Here I have some aloe vera gel, and this is the store-bought aloe vera gel, 95% pure aloe vera gel. Now, aloe vera gel will help to clear the skin of pigmentation. It is good for hydrating the skin. It is also good for smoothing wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. When you use aloe vera gel on the skin on a regular, it will keep your skin soft, supple, and give your skin a natural looking glow. So I'm using a tablespoon of the aloe vera gel. For this recipe, I do not recommend the fresh aloe vera gel, since this is a treatment that you can actually leave on your skin overnight. So now we're going to dissolve the aloe vera gel in the coffee and the honey mixture, and you want to mix and you want to mix well. Completely get rid of any lumps, just totally blend the ingredient together. Now this is going to take a while to blend out. However, I do not suggest that you put this back in a blender, so just use a whisk preferably and whisk this together. Now once this is done, take a look. This is the consistency that you should have. Now take a look at my next ingredient. Here I have some rose water, and rose water helps to balance the pH level of the skin and keep the skin hydrated. I'm going to use about a teaspoon of rose water in this mixture. Take a look at what I have here. Here I have an optional ingredient in the form of vegetable glycerine. Vegetable glycerine is moisturizing. It will help to lock that moisture in the skin, but most of all, it will help to preserve your DIY much longer by warding off bacteria. So go ahead and pour about a teaspoon of the vegetable glycerine. Pour this in. And now we are going to mix, and we are going to mix well. Now, while you're mixing this, you want to make sure that the aloe vera and the honey is totally dissolved in the coffee mixture, and the rose water is going to help to speed up this process. So mix and mix well. This is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. This anti-aging, wrinkle-fighting facial serum will help to clear the skin of pigmentation, but most of all, it helps to boost the collagen production and keep your skin younger and fresher once used on a regular. Now, to store this, it's best to store it in a spray bottle, but if you do not have a spray bottle and you have any bottle with a small mouth, then this will work, since you will need to pour. You do not want to dip in. So I'm going to reach for my storage container, and I have a little funnel, so I'm just going to use my funnel to fill my little bottle up. Now, once this is done, take a look. Here it is. Here is our anti-aging facial serum. Now, this facial serum is best to store in the refrigerator up to 7 days. If you use a vegetable glycerine or vitamin E, then go ahead and store it for about 10 days or so. Each day, take it out, shake it up, and apply 2 to 3 drops on your face, your neck, and your décolleté. You want to apply this to clean skin, so you're going to cleanse your face the way you normally do. Apply the facial serum, and then on top of that, apply your facial moisturizer. And if it's in the daytime, go ahead and apply sunscreen. Now, this is good to use on your skin every day, and you can choose to use it AM and PM. Now, once you use this on a regular and cleanse your face properly daily, massage it on the skin, you're on your way to amazing, refreshing looking skin in no time. Now, when this batch is finished, go ahead and make a new batch. Amazing anti-aging, anti-wrinkle facial serum.